Hey everyone, Tanishta this side from ASPD, where dreams meet direction and passion finds purpose. If you are a hospitality student or a recent graduate, then stay right here because what I'm about to share with you could completely transform your career. Today, we are talking about one of the most powerful and exciting opportunities for anyone in the hospitality industry, the USA J1 Internship and Training Program. Yes, the United States, the land where unmatched global standards, legendary luxury brands, and exceptional world class professionalism comes together in the most inspiring way. Now imagine this. You are working in a 4-star or a 5-star luxury hotel or resort in cities you have always seen in movies. You are gaining international experience, earning in dollars, learning advanced hospitality skill, and exploring an entirely new lifestyle. This isn't just an internship, it's a platform that opens doors across the world. And through ASPD, this dream is not just achievable, it's a structured, trusted, and guided pathway. So let's talk about what you will actually get. The USA J1 program offers openings in front office, kitchen, and food and beverage service, three of the most in demand departments in the global hospitality industry. And here's the part everyone loves. The stipend ranges from $12 to $20 per hour, with overtime possibilities depending on the hotel. That means while you are learning, you are also earning, and that makes it great choice. To make everything easier for you, students joining this program also receive duty meals, and many hotels offer up to 14 days of free hotel stay when you will arrive in the US. Some properties even provide additional meals. And don't worry about living arrangements. ASPD guides you finding affordable accommodations close to your workplace, so you will stay comfortable and safe. Now, you might be thinking, am I eligible for this? If you are pursuing hotel management, whether it's a diploma, degree, or master's, or if you are a recent hospitality graduate between the age of 18 and 29 years, this opportunity is designed exactly for you. And the best part, ASPD also provide installment based payments. So, your financial situation doesn't stop your growth. What truly makes this program special is the transformation that comes with it. When you work in the USA, you are trained under American hospitality standards, standards that are respected and recognized worldwide. You gain confidence, discipline, independence, and a level of professionalism that stays with you throughout your career. After completing a J1 internship, your resume automatically becomes stronger, opening pathways to Dubai, Singapore, Europe, Maldives, and so many more countries. Employers love candidates with authentic international exposure, and this program gives you just that. And let's be honest, the USA is not just a workplace, it's an experience. Your off days could be spent exploring the Times Square, enjoying Miami's beaches, watching sunset in California, or simply discovering small, peaceful American towns. You meet new people, make new friends, work with multicultural teams, and create memories you will carry for life. Every single day teaches you something new, not just about hospitality, but about the world and about yourself. Now, if you're wondering how to get started, the process is actually very simple. First, you just send your updated resume to the ASPD WhatsApp numbers. Our team screens your profile and forwards it to the partner hotels in the United States. Once a hotel shortlists you, you will be called for an interview. After selection, you will receive your offer letter and DS 2019 documents, which are essential for your J1 visa. ASPD guides you through the entire visa process, prepares you for interviews, help with documentation, and gives you pre-departure training so that when you land in the USA, you are confident and ready. I believe you can see a complete list of contact numbers of the ASPD team shown on the screen. What you need to do is just send a quick WhatsApp message to begin the process, or you can visit our office in Kolkata, Dehradun, or Hyderabad. Our team will be happy to guide you personally. So, if you're always dreamed of working abroad, gaining real international exposure, and building a career that opens door around the world, then this is the moment to take the step. The USA J1 internship program has helped thousands of students build a future they once only imagined. And now it's your turn to experience it. Your decision today can shape you entirely tomorrow, because your global career starts here. And we will see you next, maybe in USA. Thank you.